wenye walikuwa wamejenga wanapewa shamba, wenye walikuwa wamekondisha pia hao tunawashughulikia. Alafu wote 105 members of the public, 105 families, those who had built their houses, plus the 56 families that had rented buildings that were also destroyed. The entire group, 105 plus 56, the government of President William Ruto today is providing with you with 20,000 shillings ya kukusaidia kwenda kujenga mahali mnaenda. Wacha nirudie. Familia zote zitapata ardhi. Wale walikuwa wamejenga na wale walikuwa wamekodisha. Familia zote zitapata pesa ya kuwasaidia kujenga. Wale walikuwa wamekodisha, wale walikuwa wamejenga. Na leo hiyo 20,000 for family ya kuwasaidia kwenda kujenga for 161 families. Mimi naacha hapa na Governor Susan Kihika. Tuendelee tusiendelee? Ni fire si fire? Ni noma si noma?